Commonly called the snowflake mini edge, the sun, snow, and fog edition of the mini edge featured 4 corner strobes and 4 inboard halogens and utilized a remote power supply, usually the ISP4HS or ISP8HS, either one. And it essentially did exactly what the Snow, Sun, and Fog series did, which is synchronously flash a halogen lamp with a strobe lamp. In this case, it was done inside a standard-sized mini-edge frame. My example is powered from the 8-head version of the power supply, but the 4-head would absolutely work as well. I did read in the literature that the halogen bulbs are supposed to be 20 watt max. I assume that's for dwell time. And I did notice the dwell time on mine is a little bit long. So perhaps I have 27 watts in these. I will have to check. I did not build this bar. I actually bought it as a factory version of the bar. However, the cord had been cut flush. In fact, cut so flush that it had retreated back up inside. So when I first did a video on this bar, it was had some dingy amber lenses, and it had essentially just the cords that I had attached to the light heads to test them. So I have wired it back together with the closest thing that I'm going to get to a proper harness, and put a new set of amber and green lenses on it, and I think it looks a lot more respectable. I did notice in one of these shots from above that comes later that I think I might have the standoffs that hold the halogen end of the light assemblies. I think I might have them either in the wrong track on 2 of the light heads, or they may need a little bit of spacer because they've worn down, but it almost looks like they're angled in when you look from the top. So I'll have to investigate that, but it certainly did not hurt the output or honestly even make me notice that it was occurring. This video just showcases the new lenses and the fact that it's put together. Variety of different angles, some slow motion at the end of the video, and it just kind of is a higher resolution, more finished product than the first time I showcased it. There's maybe about 3-4 more minutes here, including the slow motion. I don't have a whole lot to cover that I didn't already cover about it. If you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching and have a great day.